Hi guys, this is Crypto Ray here. Oh yes, it's been a while. I've been off for some time trying to do some academic work, but I'm back again on a new video. And the first thing I want to appreciate my new subscribers, my new comment on the channel. I want to most especially my new subscribers. I want to appreciate you guys a lot. Also, thank you guys for uploading for subscribing on my channel and also abstain not just subscribing, being active members. I want to appreciate you guys all. I want to thank you a lot. So I don't know how I appreciate you all, but I'll just say I love you all, yeah. So on my video today I'll be trying to advise you guys why you need to hodl your coins, and why you need to always be patient with the crypto market, why you should avoid FOMO, right? It's very important. And also avoid posts that can make you fall, like stop listening to faults. So now let me start this video by asking who is Lazlo? A lot of you might have heard stories about the guy who bought two pizzas with 10,000 bitcoins, right? So in this video I will be briefly introducing you to the guy and why he did that, and uh, why he is regretting today, right? So let's go to the next slide of this video. Right here, this is Lazlo with his two kids. This is a picture of Lazlo showing two pizzas he proudly bought with 10,000 bitcoins as of 2010. Right? Can you see how much Bitcoin was worth in 2010? Just say let's say from 2010 to 2020, when Bitcoin got to, let's say, $8,000. Let's say it's just exactly about 10 years, and the price has increased more than 5,000%, right? So this is picture of Lazlo and his two kids, proudly showing the two pizzas they bought. They bought for 10,000 bitcoins. Isn't this something? Right now, looking at him, you feel like, oh yes, you just get a king and whoop his ass. But this is something everyone else could have done if they had the opportunity to get in this project very early, because it was worth nothing. It was something that was worth less than let's say less than 0.5 cents per coin as of then. So this is something, you shouldn't feel he did this because he was being foolish, or he was just wanted to throw out money. But yes, of course he's proud, and this he's one of the first adapters of Bitcoin. He's one of the first people to invest in Bitcoins as a computer programmer. He took the risk very early, and currently he's worth so much more. So now let's, on next slide. I was trying to say, in 2010, Lazlo bought two pizzas with 10,000 bitcoins, right? This 10k bitcoins for two pizza. That should have been just let's see, that's just a century pizza. That's like the biggest pizza you can ever think about, and that will remain the most expensive pizza ever bought until this world is not in existence again. But let's just come to think of it, like I don't think he did this because he just felt like doing it. But well, let's say he did it. He did it, yeah. So on the next video, let's say two pieces for one Bitcoin. Is this a wise or dumb decision? Well, I can't tell, but to me, basically, for you guys holding your coins right now, if you decide to switch your crypto for any particular, any physical assets, most of the cryptos that have, let's see, they have utility. If you decide to split them up, and then in the nearest years it start to make sense, and you are like, oh yeah, if I had known, I wouldn't have done this, I wouldn't have done this. No, that's totally wrong. This wasn't a dumb decision to start with, right? And I won't say it was a wise decision, because it will only be a wise decision if he had so much more than what he used to flip for two pizzas, right? But if he didn't have so much of the bitcoins then, and decided to flip all his bitcoin asset to for two pizzas, then I would say that was very, very wrong. But I think this is not. I just stand neutral anyway. I just stand neutral. I would say it wasn't wise and it wasn't dumb, but it's fine because sometimes you just have to do stuff, but just make sure you keep a larger amount of those stuffs, because you don't know what it might become tomorrow. So that's how crypto world works. You really have to be patient with crypto, right? Whenever you buy a coin and you feel like this is dumping or this is not making sense again, you feel like, oh yes, let me just rush and sell so that I'll avoid losses and blah 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 blah. Just try to make sure you hold your coins and avoid folding. FUD, avoid it. Also, don't FOMO, right? So it's very, very important, right? So now on this particular slide of this video, if he had kept his two pizzas, he spent just $30 on each of these pizzas. Sorry, he spent $30 to acquire these two pizzas in 2010, and 10,000 bitcoins were worth $30 in 2010, which he flipped for two pizzas, right? If it has he has maintained his bitcoin portfolio with that 10,000 bitcoins, this current year we are in right now, this 2021 March, these bitcoins would have been worth $400 million. Whoa, that's a fortune for anybody living in any country anywhere in the world. I think that's a lot of money. And if you really come to think about it, I think this can even get you a private jet or something. Love, no. Let me not go to that. This is a lot of money we are talking about here. So you just need to learn how to be patient. If you buy your crypto, hold them tight. Don't fold, and don't FOMO. Don't listen to what the guys on the social media will say. Don't listen to what the guys on Twitter will say, because it's basically a game and they are just trying to scare you out of the game so they take your share, right? Because if you keep listening to people passing out fearful informations to make you lose your money to them, then you're always gonna be losing. Because whenever you buy, they scare you that, whoa, this market is gonna dump and it's never gonna go up again, and then you decide to sell. Once you are trying to sell, they are the ones buying from you. You understand? They buy it from you, and then they wait. Once it start to make sense again, they sell back to you at a higher price. So always be a hodler. Always be a hodler. Be patient and maintain your crypto so that you also be part of the most best pizza in history. All right, let's check the next slide, guys. So here it says hold, but it is not increasing. Well, I'm tired, I'm gonna sell now. No, never be part of that. So just feel the power of holding and be among the power of holders. Be patient and holding, right, is very important. So next slide is the secret of the bull market, right? Is still talking about the holding plans and all that. Provided you're holding the coin that has a very good roadmap, like they have probably maybe utility, or the white paper is good, the project is nice, they have their own specific chain, they operate on a lower transaction fee and all that. Provided you are sure of that project, you must not trade this asset to make money. You must not swap, do a buy and sell every day on the crypto exchanger to make your money. You can decide to be a long-term investor, a hodler. This is how the graph for hodlers look like, right? They don't, let's say you're holding something for 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, 6 years, 10 years, or blah blah blah. This is how their graph looks like, because there is no just drop. It just continues to increase. Assuming each of these candles on this graph here is representing, let's say, 2 years. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's say this 14 years candle chart now, right? So that just means if you can hold your coins for that certain period of time, definitely you get a reasonable increase in the market, and the bull will be like you'll be part of the bull, right? For those people, the people who invest on a particular coin, which are just switching normally, like, let's say the profit wouldn't be so much like that, but just just try to consider holding your coins for long term. So thanks. Let's go to the next slide and think. This also say avoid FOMO, don't fold, be positive, right? The FOMO is fear of it's not the fear people the fear people generate, and then it gets to affect you. You feel like, oh yes, I want to buy now. It's gonna dump. It's gonna go up. Then I want to go into market now. No, no, no. It's going to dump soon. Let me sell. Let me sell before I lose my money. So stop avoiding stuff like that, and don't go to Twitter and listen to the guys spreading fake information about these assets. Just be positive, right? Be positive, man. Thank you. Be positive. You need to be positive. So guys, that's just the basic video I want to make about this. I just want to clarify you guys on certain important things that you need to put in your mind before you go into this crypto stuff, so you can also make your $1 million dream on this crypto, because people holding for long term are those ones making the million dream. So thanks for watching. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and you feel like you want to watch my future videos, then you can hit the subscribe button, and also you give me a comment or a like. There's the website on the description video. You can hit it, check a few other informations on it, and everybody. So thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.